how to keep your computer physically fit. The first step in computer safety is to keep your computer physically fit. Dust can potentially destroy the parts of your computer. By cleaning your computer regularly, you can maintain its performance and avoid expenses on repairs. Cleaning the computer means cleaning different parts of the computer system like 1. Cleaning the keyboard. Cleaning the keyboard is an important task for keeping your computer physically fit. Dust and dirt on the keyboard do not look nice and can prevent your keyboard from working properly. Particles such as dust, food, liquid, etc. can get stuck underneath the keys, which can prevent the keys from functioning properly. Use a soft cloth to clean the keys off the keyboard. 2. Cleaning the mouse. Cleaning the mouse is the next step to keeping your computer physically fit. There are two main types of mouse, optical and mechanical. An optical mouse is an advanced computer pointing device that uses a light-emitting diode, LED, and an optical sensor. This type of mouse does not require any internal cleaning since there are no rotating parts. However, they can get sticky over time as dust collects near the light emitter. This can cause erratic cursor movement or prevent the mouse from working. You must clean the surface of the mouse and mouse pad regularly to prevent dust from accumulating on the mouse. Mechanical mouse uses a rubber ball that makes contact with wheels inside the unit when it is rolled on a pad or desktop. This type of mouse is especially susceptible to dust and particles that can accumulate inside the mouse, which can make it difficult to track or move properly. If the mouse pointer does not move smoothly, you will have to clean the rubber ball. 3. Cleaning the monitor. Cleaning the monitor is the third step to keep your computer physically fit. Dirt, fingerprints, and dust can make your computer screen difficult to read. However, it is easy to clean your screen when needed. But before cleaning, you should shut down the computer. Unplug the monitor from the power. If you are using a laptop, shut it down. Use a soft and clean cloth to wipe the screen clean. Do not spray any liquid directly on the screen. The liquid can leak into the monitor and damage the internal components.